Hi friends, welcome back in Crypto Dhamal, and today we will discuss about a new coin, and the name of the new coin is GM Inu, and GM stands for Good Morning Inu, and we can say that the meaning of the good morning is Namaste in Indian language without any problem. And before telling about the different types of basic points and important points of this topic, and I would like to inform to all of you that if you all are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications related to different types of videos. For example, cryptocurrency, big announcement, big new update about the cryptocurrency, and let's know about the basic concept and important points of this coin. And first of all, I would like to inform to all of you that don't think that this coin is a simple coin, because this coin is not a simple coin. This coin is a very powerful coin, and because as we all know that Ethereum is one of the second most powerful token in all over the world. Ethereum is most powerful crypto in all over the world, second most powerful crypto in all over the world. And in this way we can say that GM is very powerful because GM is based on Ethereum. That's why GM is important, and that's why GM is very powerful, because Ethereum is powerful. So in this way we can say that GM is powerful because the GM based on Ethereum. As we can say that Ethereum, my bro, Ethereum, this is a very important and good and very basic concept of this coin, which is Ethereum. And let's know about the buying. And I would like to inform to all of you that if you are new investor in this coin, then you can invest without any problem, because the price of this coin is not too high, and the new investors, new beginners can invest in this coin. And if you want to become rich in the future, then you can invest in this coin, because this coin will make you rich in the future. So that's why invest in this coin without any problem, without any hesitations. And let's know about the buying. And we can buy this coin from Uniswap, because this coin has already listed in Uniswap platform, and we all know that Uniswap platform is the most powerful and most uses in the cryptocurrency. That's why Uniswap is the most powerful platform in the crypto world. And let's know about the futures of this GM Inu. I would like to inform about the liquidity logged, and liquidity has already logged in team.finance. And let's know about the special taxes. And in this special taxes, sellers get 25% taxes first 24 hours. And let's know about the buy taxes. Buy taxes always 10%, and sell taxes also after 24 hours. Let's know about the reflection, 1% redistribution on all the transactions, only 1%. Wow, this is very good points of this Inu token. And 9% marketing buyback, and the rest of the tax will be used for marketing and buyback. And let's know about the mission, moon mission. And the dream of this coin is to touch the moon. And I think this coin will touch the $1 within few months, because this is not my statement, because lots of and many experts is telling about the GM Inu is that GM Inu will touch the $1 within few months, only few months this will touch $1. That's why I want to tell all of you that if you want to become the rich in the future, then invest in this coin, because this coin will make you rich in the future without any problem. Because the different types of many experts is telling about the GM Inu, and GM Inu is going to hit the $1. This is not my statement, this is the statement of a different types of expert and many well talented experts. And let's know about more about the GM Inu, and about the good morning Inu. And GM Inu, it means good morning Inu, is the most based dog around, and but not an early riser. Coffee and crypto gets him through the day in an ever expanding universe. His main goal in life is to see the people around him make it. And 1% of every transaction, I told you about 1% every transaction is split among the holders in the form of a reflection, and it will split among the holders. And 9% of every transaction is sent straight to the marketing wallet for buyback and marketing, making him the most based dog around, for a total of 10% tax. Totally it will 10%, 9% and 1%. The 9 overall calculation, which is a 10% tax. And to avoid, and why the 25% tax of new sellers? And because to avoid the quick dump new sellers, 24 hour 25% tax introduced. used. This counts for your first buy, so will you are allowed to take your gain in return. You help the coin grow. And let's know about something more about GM. And the target of the GM Inu to hit the 5,000 holders within few months. And buy, as I told you about, the buy taxes is 10%, 9% and 1% I told you about, and crazy numbers. This is a very important token in the crypto world. If you want to become the rich, I again want to say to all of you that if you want to become the rich in the future, then you can invest in this coin, because this coin will make you rich in the future. And at last, I would like to inform to all of you that if you all are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel to get all the notifications related to different types of video, for example cryptocurrencies and new big update. Thanks for staying here. And no, don't forget about to invest in this coin. Please invest in this coin without any problem on your own risk. Thank for staying here.